Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying prerequisites so you don't hit blockers mid-run. First, confirm your account has role-based privileges and 2FA active, and grab the API token if you'll call in points. Once done, verify connected data sources. Ensure the database permits read access and metrics streams show less than a typical 1/2 hour ingest lag. Then open the CRK Production Dashboard, choose the prod environment, and pick the workspace you'll use. This gets you into the right context to act immediately. You'll next configure the working view and monitoring logic that matter. Start by creating or selecting a dashboard layout, then apply filters for the specific service, region, and timeframe so your metrics focus on what you care about. Next, define alert thresholds: CPU over 85%, error rate above 1%, and latency above 300 milliseconds, and attach severity levels. Make sure to enable channels like email, Slack, or webhook, and perform a dry run test to validate alerts actually trigger and route correctly. You'll finish by executing operational checks and closing the loop. Run synthetic transactions, replay a recent pipeline slice, and run DB query health tests to reproduce issues. This verifies whether metrics reflect real user impact. Once you see anomalies, inspect logs and trace spans, and correlate spikes to recent deployments or config changes. If problems continue, make a controlled rollback or throttle traffic while you escalate to on-call. One key tip: if alerts persist after fixes, clear cached metrics and rerun tests.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.